Hare Krishna, dear devotees, please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. So we are now standing at the upcoming conference hall of Iskm Pondicherry, Pudhuvai, Vrindavanam. So we are going to open this floor on the divine appearance day of Shyamananda Prabhu, which is on 12th of April, and we are going to have the celebration at 10:30 a.m. So we invite you all to come forward and visit our temple and witness this divine moment. And actually, we are just short of only 5 lakhs rupees to open this floor. The work is going on continuously now. You can see how the floor work is going on now. The tiles are being installed in the floor and continuously the work is going on very fastly. Actually, we are going to open this within 3 days. We don't have much time, so the workers are giving their best to work on this thing. So we request you all to come forward and donate as much as possible from your side, so we can please our spiritual master, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. Jai Prabhupada.